Hi everyone, welcome to HTML tutorial. Today we will do some more exercises using new text in HTML. I'm going to show you from this 00 web host. I have to go to manage website. I have two domains, one Techno, another ICT Profi. I go from my Techno world because we already done some exercises in the last tutorial. We will continue from the current website. Alright, let's wait a little bit. It won't take so much time. Now I'm going to click File Managers. And after that, Upload Files Now. And remember, I had the file there, index.html. I will open it and then keep writing some more tags. And it will also change the design of my tags inside the website. By the way, you will see a lot of interruption. As you see, it says after 1 hour your website will be in sleep for an hour, because it says you have to upgrade, you have to pay for this. You will see a lot of links around this page to upgrade your page. Okay, we are in. I'm going to click double on this index.html. So we had done this part last time. I'm going to now keep writing some more things about this. I will change this text. I will write there Techno World. Okay, and welcome to Techno World. I copy this and paste there. And by the way, look at this. This text size is very small. I need to make this a large one. For that thing, I'm going to firstly make the text bold. I will use B tag and open the B tag and the B tag by using this backslash. And I'm going to save and close this and see what happened. I will click here and now the text become bold. But I want to make this also in a bigger size. For that thing, in order to increase the size, you have to use heading tags. I'll show you this one. I will open the curly brackets and close it and write there H1. H1 is the biggest font size for the headings. And don't forget to put end tag by using backslash. Now I'm going to save it again. Okay. And go back there and refresh. Here we go. The text size is increased a little bit more. Now I think you are curious, what about the H2, H3, H till H6? Now there are no H7 or 8. It goes from H1 to H6. I'm going to copy paste them, okay, and change the numbers one by one, and do the same thing for the closing parts. Save it again and let's see the changes. As you see, the size is getting decreased while you use the biggest number for the heading. Is, let's say, when you use H4, the size of the text is getting decreased. When you use the smallest number for heading, the size is getting maximum 1. But I will just need one of them. Okay, and let's say I'm going to write the text by using the paragraph text. I want to write a paragraph. For that thing, I need to use P tags. P tags, as you see from the initial paragraph, it's coming from the initial of the text paragraph. I start with the P, and also I have to close my tag with the backslash P. And whatever you write here will be your first paragraph. Okay? Let's say I have a text here. I want to put this in the first paragraph. I took it from somewhere. And I'm going to click Save and Close. And after that I will go back my web page and refresh it. And here we go. We have only one heading. And the text will be right here. Alright? I can also change something more in this first paragraph using more text. Example, laptops. I would like to make the laptops bold. For that reason I'm going to use B. Okay, this is the one tag that we learned today. And another one, let's say I'm technoworld.com. I would like to make this underline. For that thing, I'm going to use U tag, which stands for the underline, and close the U by the backslash. And by cheap laptops, I can make this part italic by using I. Here we go. And the text by cheap will be italic. Technoworld.com will be underlined. The laptops will be bold with these tags that we're using now. Alright, now let's see that. What's gonna happen. I'm going to press F5 and look at the laptops is bold, the text is underlined, and then here we go. The by cheap is italic. Let's say you want to go another paragraph and you want to make a line there. For that reason you can use HR, which makes the horizontal line. Okay, and then you're gonna continue writing your new paragraph. Okay, I'm going to save it. Here we go, we have the horizontal line, and you can continue your new paragraphs. Alright, that's enough for today. In the following tutorials we will do some more exercises using new tags. So far we learned some basic tags such as editing tags by using bold, italic, underline, increasing the heading size and horizontal line. We will keep learning more tags in the following tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.